la wo akohere no kebu no eni ewe unu we wa ho no fo a la baba e ne ya fo emi no una effort oge o ma na wona Esther mu in la lo bason Esther kwa you warrior no be that guy for to but that one ma after go say na ma you be ma you na mugu confirm mugu I don't go blame you this one I up there na here
oh wow
very local primitive only yes on your magbo now why you your level don't please to pass that guy not be person and you by their fruit we shall know them and may not come and know like that where I don't magbo na he don't magbo Ogbeni ke wan Ghana wa agwa pra egbo na me adwa lele talo all this one not be people very local yes one me wa see the way they cry for house and man maybe one carry house they are just to see me I tell you don't praise I feel use one mouth tell my sister pack your thing come on for that house instantly no but the way when they say me they take do the matter they say the sagara I go there go come run come on for the house that's why I tell my sister sit down there.
Wow, we see.
Give her house not be the wala.
We see.
Now we tell her make she sit down there based on the way they take do one.
Yes, sir.
If to say they do well, now me go tell her come out there. Now one he don't come out. He say he want come out and say by bare. Dia wuni and wo just want me wa wait be the house. He here high. And baba omo poor people. Very poor people.
Very poor. Yet we birthday no here. Over here yet we birthday.
Ni money no more. I'm born here.
Ni money no more.
My brother, now that one I say me
say that time now they talk say if I can my money can make people enter pay can for Facebook. Money can need people if you start that go carry your picture.
So Agua baby elephant baby elephant when Monica a voice when Monica you are baby elephant what be very easy. Baby elephant, a voice where Monica. Well, Monica, Yeki 1 billion. Continue.
Say that time now they talk say if I can my money can make people enter pay can for Facebook. Money can need people if you start that go carry your picture. So something go not fit do. Now they talk. If you reach una turn now they don't. What una wants to turn TikTok to fake accounts? Just see the way all of una. Yeah, fake account. Go put picture. You get not get picture. Not to me. You get not get picture. Not to me. So if they can't get picture, you can't go carry their picture. You can't write rest in peace. You can't they cause them. So if then before you know now TikTok go constitute to so fake accounts. Eh? Tomorrow you no go take the responsibility. Say now you cause am. Because if they already tell people say iya get profile we a fake account na. Iya get profile we a fake account no. Okay, if na free account, you can't carry and you can't they cause them. Eh? Tomorrow now you no go remember say now you cause this thing so because na so na still do one for Facebook oh. Real account was supporting people until when they comment to now go carry their picture.
Now so they do you get my friend with day here we 30 now I comment no come go one Esther na my picture we 30 on our move platform there like R.I.P yo. Me never carry anybody picture for Esther platform. I never carry anybody. I they carry me they go direct to Esther family. Me they go direct to Esther family. Who you 30 when they see so you know insult Esther. Now my fans and my brother. You say so, it's all they comment here. Now my friend, you say so. Now, Esther day here, Esther carry this with 30, you go pour R.I.P for a picture. Me never go that stage where people say I go a platform because me never reach that level as in to go so low, go Esther platform, go they carry people picture. When I get a family, when I know I feel beat a family. If an Esther no says I be do saga, make it face my family, may leave people where they comment low. Commenters and viewers, you know, concerned there for this matter. Anybody if you go up, what they call her, Esther platform, go insult me, you know, concern me. But may you leave all those people alone. May you face me. You see also, but after the meter, it will not be coming to they collect people picture. That is Obodawe. Esther, that Obodawe. Okbeana ni mulajana. Oga sungu we oga sungu afa. Ogun baga gbe. Ekpepo ga gbokbeana. Ohwa oga gbokbeana. Okbeana uga me boya wu. Uwo ko okbeana. Uga gbe o. Uga gbe okbeana. O eke o wa down na ri o. Egbe down na ri o. Egbazen. Let's see what Monica talk now. Because this is what Esther is doing all evil thing.
To fake account. Now must say they do for TikTok.
Esther is doing all evil thing. Evil,
so fake
evil.
Account, everybody must put picture for fake account.
You see so? Esther go dey do evil. Evil ya bana mi ya. I mean ya boy. Woswe saga igbalone na. Where you move ya different people. Mama ever wa mo pishi. Ah when na jam we do ko. Any na jam we any we ko. O do say policia. Policia. If you jouer megbele na etu e mani si ko we. E mani si ko we. I have more commenters, viewers. Well, Obama do when after 12 years we live video, women man if level when nothing was wa do gbe na do gbe family omo me bona wo yi le hian ah wa biju e mi we Monica atogbo e we Monica atogbo e we wana amada dey so ari ni na that boy na re ma ya do fu piche boy na ama so ari ni na we zuo e we na hina no yes na hina mo piche na no ga uno yes na hina lo yo hana omo John wadabie oye here lo wa be mi wade. So my people, I greet you now. In the evening, I bet more of I go to church when I deal with me. Because me more use myself as an scapegoat to stop this R.I.P on people's picture. That is why they carry Esther family, they come out, make it for the torture. I know they carry commenter. The commenter are the people supporting us. The viewers are the people viewing us. So I will not go so low to go and carry commenter because they pre-picture. You know, that means I'm a stupid man. I'm going to your family direct. Family where are the direct. That is why they go for your family. Because the woman you people pursue for husbands. That woman, the way Esther marry. Now so the woman still marry. Just they come marry the same brother, the same family. Esther not dream this woman rest. Esther be sagari this woman for 3 years. This evening, all of na join me. I beg. May I come play Esther record. Wait till they threaten the other woman when they call Momebo, where that one day, where they young you quarrel. He call the threaten that one say he go carry the matter at social media. He go carry at social media. He go useless son. Matter with husband and wife matter. We will talk for his ass. Nobody will know the fact to his ass. We will talk for his ass. Husband and wife matter when those of you told me no at media. Esther carry at media. Esther believe say go fit use media to oppress on Momebo. They beat this woman for 3 years. So inside this saga, Momebo lost her mother. Her precious mother. The day when Momebo mama back. That those people start to carry Momebo mama come and say, Momebo, the adulterous when Momebo where her enemy go do, now kill her mama. They come, they use the matter, they beat him, mama, they beat. Momebo said there was a time wanted to hang herself. Me, you come up for this life. Momebo said there was a time. He said he wanted to hang herself and live this life because the atrocity is too much. Nobody to fight for her. Everybody believe them because they get media. Momebo not get media. Now we go come enter Momebo mama. We don't die. Say only one person that can help you is the prince. Nobody knows. Momebo mama enter my body. As I'm talking now, I'm talking with the dead body spirit. Dead body spirit enter my body. Dead body spirit enter my body. I'm telling you the truth. Dead body spirit. I don't know as some Momebo mama enter my body say, come on, give my daughter glory. Please. Make that picking not go by like that. Today, Nana, the people will come and say they want to fight Momebo for years. Now they run at us now. We'll not be see them again. People will bring R.I.P come. They don't enter. We'll not be see them again. They don't run. So family, when I join me later. Ore, mama no wake me. And I did the joy. Ore.
Don't worry. Wakoyo.
Uye boy.
Wabe wau.
Itwe.
Osalo bua. Ona esaga kilisaga.
Iwe emeso. Avena so
Eh,
ava zenso ni te popu wa ya woli ya muladian.
egbe ya wa wome. Eme kanya. Ezo kanya. Eme kanya. Isalo bua me.
We me
Owu
no
ga
sumo.
pe me igaye gbe na egbe. So yin. Ọma no weze kanya. Obe mi ọma no be eti lelevo.
Iwi mwegbe. Esaga na pala na miya.
Ibere nu we na wa gbe glass na.
Ne, Imwegbe. Igbe story ma we. Nuge mi na evi no wo na wu. Ke awo. Even ohun we ko na we. Igbe story ma we. Ome lejo pa ti ọmọ mebo metu won
Ilala ni ara ajeve dokpa na. Iwa bere di gist here. Bete mi no wa sono me bo. Ederio ma vi vie ni vie. Ma gba koko la di lani ve derio. Emi no gele wa sono me no ja me la lani wa soni. Me omo me bo de ba. Ijigo one of Belgium.
Yeah.
Mayana wa are de ba we ma so ave sister no maya. You know, emi no ya me la life ni ve derio was that. Wanagare country okpa. E mana agbele gbeladian. You understand? When you make best of a Belgium, me mama ru baniriela. Tewebe ihe ti siliya ya well. Oh, ihe gist oge mani bunwo. Ava atrocity ave mi dano bumbet. Ihe wa be vio se tebu me we o wajo wa. Ati do ale lo na hon. Because at the end of the day, my ya ye de kun gbe party ve do pa etinana do agbe yo we yin igwe ni me go ma do e. Also, I notice even anybody not agbera gbije mene. All of my woman came wa mubo flow stay way, you know. Mani me ye be ati la laughing ave na we mi ya gun ave nu we na for example. All my mani mama so me gbede.
Ebe saga we there Kate.
God forbid, ebe sunu, ebe ati be sunu.
You know woman
You
we me like
understand?
that they respect. When you
You know?
stop West media now. For even we go me Monica we ya we forget me ga support Monica. Ma saga we.
Masaga, me ma be fit have go one day. Ma be
Masaga,
fit have no because
correct woman.
at the end of the day, we are the way near your support. Me ma not dey jealous where because you follow me, who I galele here me it amo. I'm not that type. Ni me aya kama we no ile lo manaku me to be me si egberi me ya we friendship me. Only one thing the mature people care here and when you are mature there is a way you go around things. E me so warona ezo no ma kan wa defi way. We get without no bother to even ask question. Why next one we bere we emi na maka me beto ye be no do to agbe. We understand that woman ni we gun ajo at least ni ave si obowo. Awon agbera do be stupid. Wa do ge enia ti only if you beg anybody. I'm just saying it way. O ma be stania ye be beneve media na. Yere media me metari mi are me do ba yin. O me mi no ma zebe u be kirevo. We understand. Whereas gele woke omo mebo otinwe or ilowe according to when the story yaje we omo mebo bia no marry Ebra Dave otien oda fon no kind of thing relate when we do agbe owo hotien oda fun we social media gbia
We see
uwa na wo
we see
moyo na wo respect natari ye gbo ma gbe we no tin me no we no da fon me jenania oda fin me otin o na do marry o ma be yan na amezo po me ni ya silian adie media ni do agbe tin o
we see
no kinaya tie ye gbo ma gbe ni yakin eri upo ba ma po eri rank ba ma rank anybody aro no fuck up ate wa mgbiza ma mu aka no winari ebegi o ma anybody not into marriage biawo ho na o me gbe iya na ile dogo ke emi ye gbe so egbe o a marriage ni give work we no gie haga seva uno nata brother wo sunu sister wo sunu ora mi no eti wa adology no u wa adology ora mi no eti wa adology u si egbe wo And we are now it does not speak well. Also, wa mi resto ba banana. Iye ite wa he have a dark being and wa try all their best to make sure we they be there. But unyima tosi, unyime dan. Eko biya tai. Egi amuso, eka tosi, eka bisi. Egi amuso. Iye ga negbiyan tawe wana miewe maya nigba sun e ma gbona. Eya muso, eya lagoda o meyere ma. Ujare eko ewe wo bowe. Uyare gbuere runda kere na zen uyase. Kere mi na zen uyase. Emi nu weyo buwe si no bun oro. And it's never too late to rewrite the writing. It's never too late to correct some writing. Which is not supposed to be like that. But because of the path they have chosen in life, but they will forget to acknowledge the fact that they are doomed to themselves. They are the doomed to themselves. On any so no ma be say go deni mama or ma favor Okay, let me retrieve myself. Let me re-strategize. Let me reconnect to another route and see how it will be like. Maya karu wesa ganana. At the end of the day, before everybody stop where on our way or before Mark Zuckerberg area, I was the first to pull out. And I know a lot of people say a lot of things. But I don't care because I am the best person that know the reason why I pull out. So I don't hold anybody any explanation. The best reason known to me and me alone. So Emie Soro no maze uwe kierevo. But so ya wa bere some certain things see we salobu. I must let video next wow.
We go fear your 30 minutes. You don't go right R.I.P for your picture. 30 minutes. You don't go right R.I.P for your. You don't even 30 minutes away.
I know.
Oyagbe R.I.P me okpado commenting wala oya Esther yagbe R.I.P your picture.
I will very on now. It's just a commenter.
It is also.
It's just a okay, when you make it go on and do yagbe R.I.P. Oma so salobo anya no gbe R.I.P your my picture na ye na ikawe wuwo.
Ni mujela dia. Anybody know me or R.I.P. It is saga.
Oma water, oma no.
O gbe ma Elena ti iye ti re si gbeli ju wa wo wa. Wa ya gbe R.I.P picture ba no ma.
Oma water, oma de no. Commenters are free to comment. Tinya woman Oma no pa we na me ba ni Te mata na madere by commenter make egmen eniji.
Okay.
So many problem with commenters.
Mama Kate, Mother Kate Mujane, Empress Kate, our beautiful sister, our big sister, where they Benjo. This matter what the handles is then for Benjo. Life will happen. May I read tell now what happen? Mother Kate, they listen, why use English talk and everybody for connect with the talk.
Yes, exactly.
Say my gift is suspended. You know why you suspended gift? Where we soon now call that picture, okay. No. I worry. Yeah, okay. Till when? Till on the May 30th. Today na 30th, okay, 10 minutes, they open up. Okay, may I tell you something? May everybody say I love TikTok. Everybody power tap, let's go. Say I love TikTok. Now not the power tap. Where see 2005 power tap. 200 people is watching us. But power tap, then everybody should be active. So, Mama, see what happen. You get one lady where they call Mama Iku. I know that you know with the young Mama Iku.
Iwa me a person, but people don't still give me a gist.
Mama Iku, Frank Victor, and Esther Momo. Three of them. Now they call the saga Omomebo. Me never even know what the map. I never did the matter. Me just they do my own they do. So now I don't know what I put to them. Frank Victor now call the saga Mama Iku. So as the saga Mama Iku go to carry some people picture when not supposed to be come out. So the thing they affect Mama Iku. Now Mama Iku come say I beg. Me I can't help her. Say the one way they so you understand. Say the thing don't over. They say also say the thing don't over. That's okay. Now Mama Iku come. When they say I love TikTok. As Mama Iku come. You hear me so?
I dey.
As Mama Iku come, the next thing, they talk the matter, the way it happen, before we know, come Mama Lizzie, come one way they call Mama Lizzie, we get
All of them. Yeah, Mama Lizzie na my mommy now. Na my person.
to get restaurant so Benjo. So Mama Lizzie come, I can't try to settle Mama Lizzie and Mama Iku because Mama Lizzie come the verse for Mama Iku based on many things where they talk and so all this kind of thing. Because if I can't try to settle them. So as we can't settle them, now go say now they come the way they come they explain. They come now take bring Omomebo matter. The way Omomebo they go do adulterous for husbands. We get come they talk. So now me come bring Omomebo come up. Now it's okay. Make I ask Omomebo question. Now me come ask Omomebo. Omomebo, when you dey husbands, you read another man really come chop you. He say no man. Say that when he never enter husbands, they different from when you don't enter husbands. Because for this life, no virgin. All the women where they are abroad, no one be virgin. Na person first chop them before they come meet their husband today.
Of course.
Now, many people don't chop before they go enter husbands. So now, because he no friend, since we take the husbands, he swear.
Sorry for cutting you. For the people where he come out, come they talk and say she sleep with another man, or they get proof. They fit prove am.
May you wait, may you listen. I want to explain all of them for you, make you understand. May you know the way Esther evil reach. So now Omomebo call they tell me say my brother, don't be smart you. All these people, since then. So till they constantly lie say, they constantly lie say, in mama, Omomebo mama, now the adulterous where Omomebo go do, now by mama. They call it until they laugh every. Even the record still there. So the next thing, when I investigate the matter, I constantly say these people lie. They lie. So from there now so Esther and Jerry can't take come alive. We can't try to settle everything. So okay, make peace day. Who say maybe settle around? Imagine now, Esther no say this woman when they be so the way she come marry for this for that family.
Now so that one still come marry.
Okay. Because of the witchcraft where they with her. When that says believe here do ariogia. Masa na as here is a review man. Don't come they chop their own. So may I explain give you now. So the next thing, now so Jerry dey here oh, Esther never respect Jerry, not respect anybody. He said, Jerry, let's live here. Let's live here. Jerry, I have my platform. I get my platform, Jerry. That's what you take come out. Before we know, Esther put platform. He start to insult everybody who did my platform. He carry Omomebo family. He start to insult all of them for that side. Now see for the settle what me they do. That means the best now David. Get one man where they call David. We get Africa shop for Benjamin. We marry mama. I call the fixing that David Senna. Now I start to beat David and mama. They beat up the mama. So David can't go the cause of my guys. They can't still call me. I can't still hear. That's okay. My real enter the matter where. When I can't enter the matter, I can't say that this woman I dey under the matter. See the woman where they under the matter.
Oh, don't cut. Why you fin? Okay.
You dey hear?
I will hear you.
This woman where they see so now be David first wife.
Okay.
This woman be David first wife. This woman I do adulterous. That they call queen. Now she do adulterous. When David pursue come up for us before you know Omomebo. So this woman can go collide with Esther. Make they drive Omomebo come up for that house. So this woman now Esther come be 5 and 6. This woman now they come they beat Omomebo. They make sure say they.
But this woman don't remarry now. She don't remarry.
Wait, I will show you your husband everything. Now, person wey don't remarry, your husband there, as he will come up for your husband, because they drive Omomebo husband car. You hear me so? He go come up for your husband house. Now, Omomebo whether he don't they fuck the David join the husband, now nobody know. Now, Esther now they support this lady now. Make they drive Omomebo come up for us.
Yeah. If person don't move on, you see they look back again for what he don't come out.
But now with lace, if they use lace, they drive husband motto. Husband, see the husband we marry. Esama we marry. Is Azag
You call me. You don't leave man. You don't go marry another man. Eh? You go come out eye for the man where you fell there with. That man they okay now you can't leave her.
See the one we marry. He married this one. If they use this one to do boy for his ass. This one, now they sweep everywhere for his house. This one, now they wash plate. The boy, now the man, they do everything. This woman will leave this boy for his house. He will go to drive ex-husband motor. They form. He go to do shaka.
In all this, who you go blame? The woman I be the Dave.
Now
When
the
go they
man,
allow ex-wife.
No, the man now come be like they use juju for the man. The man not gonna know himself again.
Now small juju te the rishi. Now small juju te the rishi. You know.
The man now call they look omomebo like the witchcraft. Now this woman now where you see so now, he go meet Esther because Esther they say omomebo na person will get star. Every we get name. So Esther want to bring omomebo down by all means. If they see what I tell you, Esther can carry this woman will be say this one will not deal with David again. Now here Esther can be 5 and 6 now. They beat omomebo. Now as Esther they beat omomebo, this one will go inside car, go the drive. He go write what he say go.
Yes, I will give me. Now wow, wala.
Look what he write for the motto. When I look what he write for motto. Now he page with this one say by yourself. You see what he write for the page? Who is the snake by itself? Say me omomebo by itself. He now he go the drive the S-Smart Jeep. Now they drive. After they don't do their work now. They settle down drive omomebo come for your house. Now he can't drive omomebo S-Smart Jeep. Now he can't he write out for a comment for a platform say by yourself. Who is say make by yourself? Omomebo. See and I say by yourself. You hear so? Now
in all this, my brother, I don't hear what you explain. In all this, if I really say may we really talk for all these things, now that man I get problem. Now Dave, because Dave want me they chop here, they chop here. He want me they chop this one, they chop this one. So it's not left for Omomebo now to decide whether he go still do. I know Dave well.
No, this Dave, it's not enjoy day.
I know we don't jump for Nigeria 2 times.
You know what Basena na even one. You can't wait. Your
don't jump for Nigeria 2 times.
Oh my wala westo. Oh my wa we wo wa. Oh my wa you moto we. E David na me magiri of eje. Oh no. The magiri na ona iwa worse say. Ona iwa worse say David. Who am go we can no man we can marry no work ba. No get we. Oh, this one not come on, say your command. Now that man they chop on Igbo man. I will bring the Igbo man picture. Maybe yak with me. I will bring the Igbo man picture. No. David no say Oviesa gelege. That's the woman just now. Oviesa no. Oyewo gelege. Oyakwe. Now the same Oviesa now they drive your jeep now. Or we back where we total yo. Or we back where we total yo. On every way.
No, if he still love her. If he still love her and want to go back to the woman, he go make the woman understand. He go make Omomebo understand because like this now they just only disgrace
the
themselves.
woman married to husband. See their husband. You know they hear say don't do marriage.
He go leave the man. Na ya zone since awafinya miwe na.
Okay, no so na
Danoya do ya work bononawa. This boy now not get family. The family of the boy now not know all these things where they go on so.
If they hear they tell you.
The family of this boy not know all this one.
You know that be they tell you so now. Esther now join this one now. They fight Omomebo. This boy family now whether this boy get family whether na don't rosa beg guy go carry me wait for go see this guy ma carry Oviesa no wa zuwa agbe ya me son no zuwa ni ya you live your wife
Very start love doi
saga we the saga you not fear
we no e saga bikia
Uwe ke to gato bue. 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 Uwe ke to gato bue.
Umani dinu tie Esther o ma gbon wa sister o salobua. O ma na ma se agati e bono ma we no se rien. O ma na ma se ma gbon person when you better pass if you insult you no go tell am me return because.
Eke praise na big woman for Benjo.
Abeg. Now, the only thing we Esther get from beginning to the end, now just all those native And all those native.
Mona, they say, God bless kids. God bless Empress. God bless Empress. Wagmo, you're hey, I'm a fasting level. Let's go. God bless Empress. God bless Empress. Where is this?
Mona leave Esther.
Oh,
Oh.
yeah, God bless Empress. God bless Empress. Okay, yo. Okay.
Esther.
Okay.
Esther. Esther. Gay. A public. Oh. Don't please may I talk.
My Lord.
Don't please may I talk.
Okay.
May I talk. This video na they do so. Not be say na inside house na they do, na public na they do.
Yes.
So people where they pass, I just did TikTok yesterday. Now they see say una they do this thing. I was like, I didn't see una. What my here web or now waiting like fair type.
Yes.
You understand? So anybody will go talk say this matter not concern you, not concern you. Even you they watch. For you watching, for you staying for 2 minutes, the thing already concern you. Just that in winner rima, you they get her. Emi na ugbe ogbomahun. Emi na ugbe ogbomahun. Esther, if you they hear me, always say where they webonu lawa. Ema ni nyezo nya mwezo yo talk. When no me de when na mare wela o wani. Eri ave mare abi honu wegmi na leva.
Jela dia.
Eh? Kere ya we mi. Ije stagunia. Imama do die.
Esther, we ma emi like opa oye.
For real. Don't please for real. Ije wune aboye ragbon.
Mare saga gbije wa we ma
now. No. I love any nane. We don't be part of this one.
Omo R.I.P me picture, mo yo woman me picture. So we you so R.I.P ya ka.
I block many of them. I know they see many of them. I block them. I don't know. I block many of them because they name and now not they ban no group
Imagine when we marry with David. Erie, omo mebo marry.
Erie ni kere marry, of course. Who were to marry with one?
No mebo no jog why. Amagwe no mebo jog. Ijue la jane. Esther,
Are you hearing me?
I know they are not hearing you.
Are you hearing me?
They are not hearing you.
Don't breathe. Esther my figure here. We know you always saga before.
But if you may wuna. Well, dear.
Esther my figure here. Oh, you wear Esther, yes, saga loto. Me ona me ye kara la dia wunu ene gbagbagbagba me to ye we po eja
o mami R.I.P oge wa R.I.P ge wa R.I.P oge we wa
Esther when winner ni kano ne when winner
no e don't
when winner because men winner as a woman men winner the way but when winner because we ke when no ma ya winner ke he nu we ya winner sha.
Yeah, this I got bijou. I mean that I say if your party.
Don't please. Ogera vije na me mai because oga ya jero se ni jo mo sele lo mo obun gbe we me wa ye na be di su sele libimenia.
Ona te roro saga. E saga na ro.
Roro no. Esther wina na le jemia.
E saga na ro gbe na mi ya. Okoko ale street ya gbere amu e picture. Okoko na le street ya gbera. We are street yagbera. I'm we ní picture.
When tulele when me manale last standing na me I not dey follow. I don't know how she take they do the thing.
This way.
Na make her they say may you take her. So we not ture ro ave tulele.
Wa be na R.I.P Nigeria re wu ni adogbi agbele mi la lopa. Maria mi la wopa. La re de arwa o.
We not ture ro atulele. Iyo salo buame. Esther, take it easy. When I maro where ya mare nikeo, take it easy because at the end of the day, At the end of the day, piano duaru da egbinana ezona dere umi wuwabe voda fun wero bi webere ni Esther. Me ma bere tien ro panola dia duaro bi oda fun we. A story of where oda fun wodo tami ma ya social media. E kwa bi abere yo we egbinana family ore.
Yo we no.
A story of where.
We.
No now.
We no. Jerry we ya we are. You're gbe me. I give you even you're gbe me.
Anybody wey don't
don't
me. Oh him on me jore me. For how many 2 years for waiting no concern you at all? If it's something even concern
okay, no gesta na mo Buhari mevere ni. Ekeni me na gesta vere ni. Anybody you are comment your video. Oh we have a our Bruce the money kana wa. Iya wa no.
Anybody will comment.
You don't hear courses with them.
Oh, fair le va gbera we do prison.
Oh, we do.
Anybody le va gbera we do. Iwe give me say you mean one pay o wa na we comment travel. Oh, bale ma do gbe. Iwe no.
So I was.
Oh, Esther.
Yeah.
Our mama no saga we. Oriyo we ga big. But o ma we start ya saga o ma. Na we do amo ha we do ale yo lere we Esther de me no ra no ta.
No one no dey by star. Me present that person. Anyone not support the star. Here is a BJ.
Because Esther admin igbina have social media. Esther not the fight.
Not be even
admin Esther wayaje. Admin igbina right from day one. Esther waya la media. Admin igbina
we
are getting your way.
So
money tore ni eko ke ma uwa.
We go to renewal list.